Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
No, I'm Matt.
I am smiling from ear to ear. Matt has blessed me with a wonderful review today. I'm very excited to be diving into a new Laphroaig. This is the 18-year single malt Islay Scotch. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Matt, will you please tell me more? Tell me more
I
about
will.
this one.
Now, this is a very special bottle. This is Laphroaig 18. Now, I had one of these when they first came out in 2009 for $82 then. And I drank it, probably finished it around 2012, 13. Then I couldn't find it for several years. So they were discontinued in 2016, sadly. But our great friends, Andy and Tara, who I didn't know at the time, I've written some stuff out on the Whiskey Tribe. I was looking for one to hey, you know where one is in Oklahoma. And so I was like, sweet. Would you mind picking it up for me? Actually, wasn't that bad at the time. I think it was only 144. I'm like, the answer is yes, absolutely for that price. So now I looked at it today. They're going for 550 and higher. Sometimes I saw some for 1,000 because they discontinued. Like I said, sadly, 2016. Because this was meant to replace the 15 year, which had stopped back in 09. And then they released it once. So we reviewed that version, the one in 2015 for the 200th anniversary edition, which we reviewed, which is excellent. But like I said, sadly, a year later, that's gone now. 2020, they released the 16 year to replace this. So hopefully the next couple of years we get 18 again. I really, really hope we do, but I don't know. It's all ex-bourbon. It's non-chill filtered, non-coloring. It's 48%, so it is a little bit higher, which is beautiful. So I really appreciate that. But yeah, I can't thank Andy and Tara enough for picking this bottle up. I've waited for 6 years to open this bottle the other day when our construction was finished at our castle. This is what I served to Anthony and Adam as their special pour, as they like smoky scotch. I was like, I have a bottle I'm waiting for a special occasion. This seems like a special occasion. Major construction finishing the Whiskey Castle. So this will have to be special requested if you do want to do a class with this one, but it will be available by special request since it's a discontinued, unbelievably amazing Laphroaig. Laphroaig is what made me fall in love with peated scotch. So this is a special, special bottle, and I'll let Will enjoy it for a bit more, and then we'll get into the notes on this thing. All you need to know is you do find it for original price. Almost sitting on a liquor store shelf. The answer is yes, you should buy it immediately because it's truly one of the greatest scotches I've ever had. So finally getting a chance to know. The old one was a green tin. This is, of course, the white tin version, but I don't care. It says Laphroaig 18, and that's all you need to know. All right, let's get into the notes for this beautiful thing.
I could live in this thing for hours and hours and hours.
Oh, so good.
There are, God, at least 30 to 40 different things that have just popped into my head just sitting here smelling it.
Every note is obviously peach, number one, obviously.
Obviously, but man, the fruity red and black fruits that are in there, the peaches, the nectarines.
I get apricots. The very first thing
I was going to say, I actually get a little bit of stone fruit. I'm actually picking up some what I would call tropical fruit notes that I typically find in really old Irish.
Yeah, there's a little bit of that in there. A little bit of guava and papaya in there. Interesting.
It's down that path. It's not quite there, but it's
nice.
There.
A lot of honey, vanilla, butterscotch, toffee. Get this beautiful minerality to it.
Grilled pineapples.
Yeah, lemon limes and lemon limes that are been on also I think on the grill on top of some ribs.
Yeah, I'm not getting the seafood in this one.
No,
that I was finding in the Talisker.
That's some nice.
I'm not finding anywhere close to the level of brine or sea saltiness. It's there. There's some sea salt air wafting in the background, but it's not a predominant note like the Talisker was.
Some nice cloves, nice tobacco, clove cigarettes. Yeah, put out wet cigarette. And it's not because since you got older peat here, you don't have the whole punch you in the face thing you get with younger peat.
Right. It's much more subtle, but it's there.
It does have a little bit of that mushroom fungal as well. It's got this nice creaminess to it. It's like a blackberry raspberry jam. Oh, Oh, now I'm getting like a cake donut, like a buttermilk cake donut. This keeps changing.
Wow. Oh, move on to the palate, Matt.
All right, we have to go
Oh
to the.
my God.
Sounds like
That
a
is so rich and dense.
definitely.
48% nothing. Like this drinks like a good 56, 57% ABV.
Oh,
It is thick and coating across the palate. Wow. You can taste every bit of the age. There are just layers upon layers. All of those nose notes show up.
wow.
Some umami, some bitter, some tart. Definitely a tiny bit of sweetness, a lot of smoke.
Yeah.
A lot more than I was expecting.
A lot more, yeah, on the palate. There's way more peat on the palate than the nose. Like the nose was super soft on the peat. Not on the palate. The palate is pungent base peat.
Yeah, the palate it still delivers. It has not been taken out yet.
It's got this beautiful berries and cream going on in it.
Yes.
Then that apricot, honey, vanilla, some creosote, some lemon lime going there, black pepper. It's got that same minerality that was on the nose.
Yeah.
Now I've got like a milk chocolate, raisins, warm walnuts, even some pecans. Even more like a praline. You get that sugary pecan. Oh my gosh, that's ridiculous.
Yeah. And the medicinal, the iodine that I typically find in Laphroaig is there.
There,
I have to search for it to find it.
Yeah,
it's not a present note like it is.
It's not like the 10 where it's like, "Hello, I'm iodine. I'm here to play."
Right. This is just a little accent to the berries.
Yeah, it's got this nice brininess. Like you talk about the scallops wrapped in bacon.
Yeah.
Oh God. Now it's super salty on the finish as well. Like just really nice and briny. So good. This would go really good with like all you can eat steak at a Brazilian steakhouse. This would be amazing with that. Yeah. If I could only bring my own whiskey with me, because unfortunately they don't carry this. Like, can I bring my own whiskey? Because this will be better than whatever you have, I guarantee it. So, I need peated scotch with my meat. It's delicious. And that's the way God made for it to be. So, that's why he made whiskey. It's why it's called the water of life. You should come explore the water of life with us at the castle. Now, I don't have any steak on a regular basis, but there will be times with barbecue, like our buddy Brian with Pit Face Barbecue. This, we must try with Brian's barbecue. I think it would be great. So, yeah, it just keeps going and going and changing.
Yeah, the finish is forever.
It's still going. Yeah, it's got a lot of this. Is once again, now this is your billowing bonfire at a beach, raging angry storm, going at exactly the same time with lots of sea salt and black pepper flying around. Like you can see the lighthouse in the distance, and it's just there's the foghorn going off. Like this is angry whiskey that's beautiful.
Yeah.
This is what you want. This is like the pinnacle of what you want for Laphroaig. Because I know was it the 25? Yeah, we did the 25. The peat was much more subtle. This is the
very much more.
All the punch of the 10, but the subtlety of the 25. I think this is to me one of my absolute all-time favorite Laphroaigs ever. It's just one of the best whiskeys I've ever had. I just absolutely love it.
Yeah, I'm right there with you. It is phenomenal.
This is why I waited for 6 years to open this.
Yeah.
Because it's freaking awesome. So, yeah.
I very much appreciate you sharing with me, my friend.
Absolutely.
This is some amazing, amazing stuff.
So if you ever get a chance to try it, you should definitely take the chance. You thoroughly not regret it. If you enjoy Laphroaig, you will love this.
Yeah.
You will be in your happy place for a very long time.
Yeah, this is definitely a step in a wonderful direction for them.
Yeah.
I hope they can move themselves back to this.
Yeah, I'm like, please, in a couple of years, have some more of this. That'd be great. Yeah. But we'll see.
Well, until then, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We go live every Monday night on YouTube, or you can come hang out with us live at the Whiskey Castle. Join the Patreon page for some behind-the-scenes fun. But until next time, keep on crusading for better whiskey in your glass. Cheers.
Oh,
Good.
so much fruit now.
Yeah, the berries just come alive.
Just crazy strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries now, and vanilla yogurt.
Yeah.
Like Greek vanilla yogurt. Good gosh.